In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate deposits in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever looked at your bank register or financial reports and noticed that your income looks higher than it should, there's a good chance a duplicate deposit is sneaking in there. This often happens when a deposit is both recorded manually and also brought in from your bank feed, or when the same transaction is matched incorrectly. The good news is, fixing it in QuickBooks Online is simple once you know where to look. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the banking area. Depending on the version you're using, this might be labeled Banking, or it might be under a broader menu called Transactions. Either way, you want the section where your bank and credit card feeds are connected. This is where QuickBooks shows what's coming in from your bank and how it's being categorized. Once you're on the Banking or Transactions page, look for the Categorized tab. This tab shows the transactions that have already been reviewed and added to your books, including the deposits you've approved. A duplicate deposit that's affecting your reports will usually appear here, not in the For Review tab. Carefully scan through the list of categorized transactions and locate the deposit that's been duplicated. It helps to sort by date or amount, so you can line up what you see in QuickBooks with your actual bank statement. Take a moment to verify that this really is a duplicate and not a separate, valid deposit for the same amount. You want to be absolutely sure before you delete anything. When you found the duplicate, click on it to open the transaction details. This will show you how it was recorded, the date, the amount, and the account it was posted to. Again, this is a good time to double-check that you're looking at the extra copy and not the one you actually want to keep. With the duplicate deposit selected, look down at the footer of that transaction window. You'll see an option labeled More. Click on More, and from the options that appear, choose Delete. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete the transaction. Confirm the deletion, and that duplicate deposit will be removed from your books. After that, it's a good idea to refresh your banking page and, if needed, recheck your reports or bank register to make sure everything now matches your actual bank activity.